Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariowit, and today in this tutorial I will show you how to always have a screen on, keep screen on, in other words. Okay, you will need application keep screen on, which is on Google Play application, and you have also link in the description. So my friends, you may also leave like and subscribe my channel, write a comment, that will be very helpful. Thank you. Okay, so I will show you now. Keep screen on, right? And I will recommend you this. Okay, and now open and look on this. You have here light and off light, and when you have lights on, you have always keep screen on. If it's off, you don't have. Look here, keep screen on, also writing, and that's all. You will be, thanks this application, have always screen on. So thanks for watching. If I help you, like, subscribe my channel. Bye bye, and see you in other tutorials and videos. Thanks my friends, goodbye.